Hello everybody, today we're doing a review of SuperMoney, a company that I stumbled across. They consider themselves the kayak or the Expedia of lending. They basically have different loan options and credit card options that you can not only apply for, but you can also get comparisons on the rates, credit score requirements, and the terms, and you can review all of that before you choose which loan option you want to do. So we're going to get into that and take a look at them. But first, let me announce to you to wait until the end of the video. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I have some more information on the free boost course that I was offering. There are a few more slots available, and I'll give you some more information on that at the end of the video, so stick around to the end. And also, I have a free live training coming up this Sunday on 2/21/21 at 6 p.m. Eastern, and I'm going to give you some more information on that first, and then we'll get into this video review. Wait a minute, man. Don't tell me you've been going around in circles again trying to figure out this credit thing. It's okay. I have something for you for free that can help you. But look, don't feel bad. I've met hundreds of good people just like you that just ended up in a bad situation or made some mistakes with their credit, even me. Then that's when you end up trying to figure out what to dispute, what to say in the dispute letter, or why your score dropped for no reason. That's why Sunday, that's right, this Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern, I'm going to be hosting a class to teach you where those problem areas are so you can identify them and you can get unstuck and stop going in circles. I'm also going to teach you my simple account identification process, which has helped my customers save an average of $5,000 by not paying off the wrong accounts. And there's several other things that I'll teach you that I learned over 7 years of doing credit repair myself and spending thousands of dollars on training. And if you come to the training and make it all the way to the end, I have a special bonus for you which will help you with your disputing too. Now, if this sounds like something you could benefit from, go ahead and click the button below, sign up for the training, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Hey everybody, Will Frazier here, your credit expert, bringing you the tips you need to get your credit back on track, because what goes down must come up. And if you don't want your credit score to drop 200 points, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified of every new video I drop just like this. So today we're taking a look at SuperMoney, which is a company that, as I mentioned, consider themselves to be the kayak of financial lending and whatnot. So basically they have a whole bunch of different options, and this is how they work. Basically, you tell them what type of goal you're trying to achieve. They'll compare financial products for you and give you information before you make your decision, and then you can choose from competing offers that they will present to you if you actually go ahead and decide to submit your information for them to review. So let's say we want to finance a purchase, meaning we want to get a loan. Basically, we would click that, we would come here, you can choose between a HELOC, which is a home equity line of credit, a personal loan, personal lines of credit, shared equity agreements, and basically you can scroll down here and you can see that they give you information, to provide you as far as giving you understanding of the different loan products and how they work. So that is very good that they do try to educate you on what you're about to do before you do it. Then down here you can see that they actually have where you can put the loan amount you want, you can input your credit score and the state that you're located in, which is very important because every loan product isn't in every state, so you want to make sure that you can specify that. And you can see here they have a brief summary of different people that they use in order to provide loans and whatnot, and you can apply here and you can see some basic information on them. But if you hit compare all personal loans, you can see they pop up with a little more detail. You can actually see reviews from different people that have tried them and their recommendation rating here, and you can see that for different loan companies. You can also see their rates as far as the lowest they go to the highest that they'll go and compare those. You can see the loan amounts that they'll do. You can also see the terms of the loans that they offer, as well as things like cosigner optional, no origination fee, no repayment fee. So of course all of that is very useful information to have when you're trying to decide on who you want to actually get money from. You can go over here to this slider and you can put what your credit score is if you know what your credit score is. And as you can see, when you change it to a lower credit score, they change the options that are available to you. Also considering what state that you might be in, you can put your annual income in there because of course that plays a factor as well, your employment status and everything over here in the side section. Now if you need some more information on making a decision on a lender, then you can come here and you can actually get some more details on what you should be looking at. And also from this screen you can go ahead and click personal lines of credit if you want to see the options for that. If you want to see private student loans, you can see that here as well as auto loans. You can get information on different auto loan providers here as well. Now going back, let's take a look at one of the other options they have. Find the best credit cards. You can see here you can shop for personal or business credit cards, and you can get more information on credit cards and how they work here, which again is also a great thing. And they also have the same basic comparison here where you can actually get some details on the different options there. And if you click here again, you can see personal credit cards, get more details on annual fees, balance transfer, APR if that is available, and again customer reviews and recommendations. And you can also come up here and go to business credit cards and get a comparison on the different business credit cards they have right now. Because the credit score is what it is, that's why it's only showing that option, because these are credit cards that are based on a personal credit score. Now let's go over here and take a look, because I'm sure you're wondering how it affects your credit score. And it says right here, checking rates won't affect your credit score. And you can see they have this little mark here, so we're gonna go ahead and check that out to see what that means. What is the extra details that they have in regards to it affecting your credit score? And as you can see down here, they say to check the credit rates and terms you qualify for, one or more soft credit pulls may be done by SuperMoney and or SuperMoney's lending partners that will not affect your credit score. However, if you choose to continue your application at a lending partner's website or by phone, they will request your full credit report from one or more of the consumer reporting agencies, which is considered a hard credit pull and may affect your credit. So basically, they'll do a soft pull. If you apply on this site, it won't affect your credit, but if you do the full application, it definitely will end up affecting your score. And if you do decide to apply, like let's say for a personal loan option, you would click get offers here, or you can do it on that other screen we were on where they actually had the comparison after you select who you want to go with. And then you can see here they're asking what you want the loan for a car, for a business, auto repair, debt consolidation. Do you want to consolidate your student loans, tax debt, other debt, or credit card debt? Put the amount that you want, and basically they just keep going down the line and asking you a whole bunch of questions. They're asking for your personal information, and then they'll do a comparison, a rate comparison for you after you complete this, and then it'll tell you what your rates would be at the different loan options that they have. Now to summarize, I would say that SuperMoney is a good site to visit to get a lot of good information as far as how these financial products work, and also to get some comparisons done. But I can say that I saw that they didn't have every loan and credit card option that's out there available, so they do have a limited amount of options, but they do have a good bit of options that can give you an idea and possibly find a person that might be right for you in regards to getting a loan or getting funding. Now all that being said, I did mention at the end that I would tell you guys about the giveaway. If you guys saw my last video, I did say that I was giving away my Boost course, which is a course that would teach you how to work on your credit, very detailed, and also a community group where you can actually ask questions to me and in a group, and I'll actually go live and teach in there and answer questions. Now I was giving away 20 free spots to people that followed all of the directions that I gave in that last video, and I do have a few spots that are still open. I did have more than 20 comments on that video, but I had people that didn't follow all of the steps, and like I said in the video, you do have to follow all of the steps, so you have to make sure that you listen to everything that I mentioned, and if you do everything in those steps, then you will be able to get free access to this course, which is more than a $500 value for the course and the group. So I'm gonna link in the description, of course, SuperMoney, so that you can get access to them if you want to try to visit them and check them out. But I'm also gonna have a link to the last video that I did, because you do have to follow the instructions in that video, and it includes you doing something with that video. So make sure you go ahead and check that video out. It will be in the description below, and you can find out what you can do in order to get access to the Boost course for free. And also don't forget, separate from that, this Sunday I'm going to be having a live training to teach you guys some things about working on your credit in regards to areas where you might be going around in circles and getting stuck. So make sure that you do register for that live training this Sunday. The link to that is also going to be in the description below. So I hope you guys got value from this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.